In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HoneyBook, specifically tailored for social media managers. HoneyBook can be a game changer by streamlining your process from capturing leads to managing projects and renewing contracts. Let's jump into the first step, capturing and qualifying leads. With HoneyBook, this starts by creating a lead capture form. You'll find this under the Tools section labeled Lead Capture. This form is crucial for gathering initial information from potential clients who visit your profile or website. Make sure to customize it to collect all necessary details that help qualify prospects. Once a lead fills out the form, you'll want to add an auto reply coupled with a scheduling tool for discovery calls. This ensures that there's no delay in making that initial contact, which could be vital for securing your next big project. After speaking with the potential client in a discovery call and determining they're a good fit, move those leads to the proposal stage. Next, we transition to sending a proposal, followed by a contract and invoice. Creating a smart file is an efficient way to handle this. A smart file is your all-in-one document containing your package offering, the project scope, contract terms, and either a deposit or monthly retainer invoice. Send this unified file to your client. They can then conveniently sign and make payments without any unnecessary back and forth. Now, onto onboarding and getting assets. Start by sending your new client a welcome packet along with an asset request form. In this packet and form, list exactly what you'll need from them, such as their brand kit, access credentials to necessary platforms, and any content rules or guidelines they have. Organize tasks for creating the content calendar, drafting, reviewing, and eventual posting so both sides know what to expect. Managing work and deliverables becomes seamless within HoneyBook. You're able to upload drafts and send them out for approval using messages or a smart file. Having everything in one platform will save you time and ease client communications. Once your client approves, you can proceed to schedule or post the content accordingly. Remember to set up recurring invoices for ongoing monthly work, which makes billing more organized and straightforward. When the month ends, upload a monthly report containing metrics and recommendations. This demonstrates professionalism and commitment to your client's success. Finally, we arrive at the offboarding or renewal phase. Start by delivering any final campaign materials to the client. This is also the perfect time to request a testimonial, which can bolster your reputation and marketing efforts. Don't forget to send a renewal or upsell proposal, offering opportunities to extend or expand collaboration. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to using HoneyBook effectively as a social media manager, from onboarding to project management and beyond. Tailor each step to your workflow for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Happy managing!